Levels are nominal. How's the seal on the cabin?
Appears intact, but the undercarriage needs support. Ready for phase 2.
The suspension joint looks corroded.
Shining the light closer. Do you see the fracture point? It matches the schematic data for the R-142 known issues.
All right, lift it up. Hold it steady. Lock in the pin now. Look at the state of this joint. Yeah, the suspension housing is completely rusted through. We've got movement, just a few centimeters.
Keep the pressure steady.
How are the front chains looking? Secured. We've got full tension. Okay, let's move out. All right, keep coming back slow. Watch that clearance. Watch that pillar on the right. And stop. Set the air brakes now.
Lock that binder down. Chain is secure on this side. Ready for tension release.
Keep the tension on that front winch. Slowly. Watch the ramp alignment. Clear on the left side. All right, steady down the ramps. Keep the pressure steady on the left side. Yep. All right, covering the roof section now. Make sure you get the underside panels too.
After the primer cures, technicians lightly wet sand the primed surfaces to achieve a perfectly smooth finish. Dust is removed.
After the primer cures, technicians lightly wet sand the primed surfaces to achieve a perfectly smooth finish. Dust is removed with
Technicians use detail spray guns to paint difficult areas around hinges, vents, wheel arches, communication equipment mounts.
Make sure that fuel line is tagged clearly.
Already done. Moving to the wiring harness now.
Did you tag that main harness yet? Yeah, it's labeled 3A. I'm working on the coolant line now.
Easy now. Watch the alignment on this side.
Got it. Coming down slowly.
Looks good. Lock it in. The bolts on the head are loose. Okay, easy now. Let's lift the manifold clear.
Cleans. Each engine component is cleaned using industrial parts washers, ultrasonic cleaning tanks, and compressed air.
Worn bearings, piston rings, seals, gaskets, timing components, and damaged fasteners are replaced with new factory specific